April 2020. Let's make a calendar.
Okay, here we go.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
What day of the week is it? Today is Wednesday.
Great job! Today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020.
Okay, we said today is Wednesday. We're going to fill in our Wednesday. And you're going to help me count or clap to 29. This is a big one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Great job.
29. Great job.
Okay, we're going to look at our page, and I want everybody to touch Wednesday on their screen like this. Today is Wednesday. Great job, boys and girls.